Welcome to video number 15. I believe that we are approximately a third of the way through the online play shop. I'm not actually sure, haven't done it on video before, but just kind of guessing. At this point, you should realize that I have some idea of what I'm talking about. You know, the 2 decades I spent researching this paid off at least a little bit. And if that's the case, if you are doing the exercises, which means you're breathing in the rhythm of love and ease, at least at some point during the day for some amount of time, you're allowing things to be the way they are, which means you're not labeling things as good, bad, or evil, or anything else. And 3, you're noticing the obvious. At least for some part of your day, you're getting some benefit from what you're learning from these videos. If that's the case, I'd like to offer you more background information. I wrote a booklet a couple of years ago. It is 42 pages. It's all short chapters, just like these videos, very short. Here is the chapter list, if you care to look. Yeah, you have to hit pause to catch that probably. It's $10. I will deliver it anywhere in the world, Earth 2018, for $10 US American money, or the equivalent, whatever, that's shipping included, like whatever, that's fine. That's if you want me to send you a copy. You can get a copy for free at the website. So come to yourbodyneverlies.org, follow the links to the book, and when you're asked for the password, if there still is a password on the website, I might just get rid of it. But currently there's a password to open the PDF document. It's inner view, right? Because inner view, that's kind of what we're doing here. Anyway, inner view is the password. This should be good. I just hope to do it forever at this point. The booklet is 42 pages. It should be 400 pages. So I'm working on that. I've written a few more chapters that are not in here yet. And well, hopefully I'll find a publisher, and we'll see what happens with that. The book is not the play shop. The book just has background information that I may not give you here on the video. The booklet is really accompanies the workshop. So if you want a little more background information, if you want something to hold on to, something to refer back to in your hands, print it offline or download it to your computer. Or if you want a copy, just email me, and we'll get that figured out. We'll get a copy to you, no problem. That's it. This is like the interlude. This is like the pause. 1/3 of the way through the workshop. This is a pause to stop, go online, and download the booklet. This might be a good time to do that, and we'll just see what happens next. Thanks for joining me today. I've had fun.